Fuck. My god. GoPro Hero 5. Shit. Shit, man. Whose GoPro is this? I don't know. Someone has forgot or someone left his GoPro here. I'm not finding anyone. Shit. Shit. Nobody is here. Fuck. Shit, man. Anybody's here? Unbelievable. Are you fucking kidding me? You are alone here and there, and this is the road. Of course, this is not a. This is actually what it calls. This is a venture actually. No one will come here. Like me, some people to relax. Those people will come here. I found a lot of videos in YouTube that a lot of people finding a lot of GoPros, GoPro 4 and GoPro 5s in seas. But first time I found a GoPro in India. Unbelievable, man. Unbelievable. Shit. Where is my key? Where is my bike key, man? Shit. Come on. Shit. Where are my keys? Come on, God. You gave me a GoPro Hero 5. Now, what about my keys? Bike keys? Shit, man. Shit. Look here. I lost my keys where I found my. I lost these keys where I found this GoPro. Oh shit! This is God's game. If you get something, you will definitely lose another thing. My parents always tells me that if I found any money on the road, just immediately spend them on something, because if you keep those money with you, you will definitely lose more than that. This GoPro is around 30,000 like rupees. If I found this just now, and I just missed it to lose my 1.5 lakh bike. Of course, because of losing key, I won't lose my bike. I have a duplicate key also, secondary key also. No worries. So guys, I found a GoPro in India. Let's see, is it working or not? Come on, man, it's working. It's working absolutely fine. Shit. Can you believe it? My God. I can't believe it. I still can't believe it. Are you freaking kidding me? I got a GoPro. I found a GoPro. Shit. I found a GoPro, man. I found a GoPro. Are you believing it? Can you believe it or not? Please tell me. Not right? I know. So please don't believe, because I didn't find this GoPro. This is actually my own GoPro. I bought this GoPro with my own money. I didn't find this GoPro, man. I was just joking with you guys. This is my own GoPro, and the GoPro cover is also here. Just yesterday only I have received this package from eBay. I just wanted to do this video in a different kind of way. I that's why I did this type of video. I hope this video won't irritate you. I just wanted to present my GoPro in a different way. That's why I did like this. So please forgive me if I disappointed you. I'm sorry a lot. Please don't abuse me. गालियाँ मत दो यार. कभी कभी नौटंकी भी बनता ना. By the way, guys, I bought this GoPro from eBay.in for rupees 28,000. Very, I mean, a reasonable price, right? When this GoPro was launched, then that time price was 35,000, and I have got at 28,000 rupees only. I'll provide the links in the description if you want to purchase the same product in eBay. Okay? And once again, I'm sorry if I disappointed you. I hope this video is entertained you. Please hit thumbs up if you like the video. That's all for today, guys. I'll be back in the unboxing video. Of course, unboxing video will come after this video, because I already did the unboxing of this video. But you know, this video will come first, and after that, unboxing video will come. As always, ride safe, take care. Hasta la vista. Of course, like, share, and please subscribe to my channel. Please. Bye bye.